No, that's the
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He is Allah one. Allahu samad. Allah the eternally refuge. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor was He begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is none co-equal or comparable unto Him. Last of all, I am very, very thanks to all audience for appreciating me. Wa akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
এখন আপনাদের সম্মুখে উর্দু বক্তব্য রাখবে মুখলিসুর রহমান।